South Korea's President Moon Jae-In has called on Japan to withdraw its export controls on high-tech materials bound for South Korea and for the two countries to have sincere consultation. In his first public remarks on the issue, he also said that a vicious cycle of action by the two neighbouring countries was something they should avoid. Japan's move to tighten those export controls came in connection with a dispute over compensation for forced wartime labour. Under the controls, which took effect last Thursday, Japanese firms are required to file applications for exports of 3 materials used in South Korean chips, as well as TV and smartphone displays. This could slow the export process by several months, which could mean delays for major chip makers such as Samsung Electronics, SK Hynix, as well as LG Display. South Korea's economic policy chief had earlier warned of direct countermeasures, and Seoul is planning to take this to the World Trade Organization.